Adding icons that link to external sites from your Onescreener page is really easy. Just click on Icons and the plus link icon button. Put in the name and drop in the URL. Then choose the respective icon. Hit Add Icon and it appears on your page. To change the position of the icon, go to the Layout tab. You can choose to put it on the sides, the bottom corners, or in the center. To change the style of the icon, go to the Style tab. Here you can change the color, the shape, the border size, and the actual size of the icon. Under your list of visible links, you'll notice that to the right of each link, you can either delete, edit, or feature it as a diamond link. The diamond feature simply means that it doubles the size of that particular icon in order to make it more visible to your visitors. You can add up to 7 icons in total. We limit the amount so that it keeps the design of your Onescreener page cleaner. To add a text icon to your page, click the Add Link icon button and the plus text icon button. This can be a short introduction to your company, brand, or cause, a short bio, or your entire life story. It's really up to you. Give the icon a name and add the text. Automatically, a text icon is generated on your Onescreener page. You can also add smart features to your page. Go to Link Icon and hit the Smart Feature button. The Smart Features connect to Onescreener Manager. It's the back-end administrative solution that helps keep track of your bookings, schedules, and finances. You can add a Book Now button or a booking request form, which allows bookers to get in touch with you directly and hire you. You can add a public profile icon, which allows you to display photos, riders, and tech information. And you can also add an upcoming or next gigs icon. These gigs will be streamed directly from those gigs that you enter into your Onescreener Manager.